children, today let's start with chapter number 8, that is matter. So let's study about the matter. So we see many things around us. देखो हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखाई देती है. They are made up of different material. वो अलग material की बनी होती है. Like paper, feather, balloon. They are light, while some like chair, bed, table, and TV. They are heavy. Some like oil, water, and juices can flow, and some like stone, brick, ice do not flow. So the different things that we see around have different properties, but all these objects take up some space and have some weight. Anything which has weight and occupies space is called matter. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Matter बोला जाता है. So let's study about the different state of matter: solid, liquid, gas. 3 state पढ़ते हैं. First is solid. इसकी definite shape होती है, right? Like wood, plastic, iron, stone, leather. They have definite shape. तो इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Solids. ये hard होते हैं. They are firm to touch, right? They do not flow. They cannot be transferred from one vessel to another. आप इनको एक vessel से दूसरी vessel में easily transfer नहीं कर सकते. Right? So when milk is frozen, it changes into ice cream, which is solid. और आइसक्रीम को हम फ्रीजर से बाहर निकालते हैं, वो मेल्ट हो जाती है. तो किस में चेंज हो जाती है? लिक्विड में. भाई हमने आइसक्रीम को फ्रीजर से बाहर निकाला, थोड़ी देर आप बाहर रखो तो किस में चेंज हो जाती है? लिक्विड में. Right? Liquid has no shape of its own. It takes the shape of container into which it is put. Water, ink, milk, kerosene oil, coconut oil. ये किसके शेप लेते हैं? कंटेनर के. तो ये लिक्विड है. And these are the most common liquid that we find on the earth. Liquid flow करता है and the flow from higher level to lower level. ये higher level से lower level पे flow करता है. Gas की बात करें, gas has no shape of its own. It also takes the shape of its container. It changes its shape really and it can spread over the entire area. So जो gases है वो flow करती है all direction. Both liquid and gases are called fluids as they both flow. दोनों को हम fluids कहते हैं because they all flow. And air is an example of gas which occupies space and has mass. It is a mixture of many gases. The main gases mixed in air are oxygen and nitrogen. जो main gases है जो mix हो जाते हैं वो कौन होती है? Oxygen और nitrogen. We need oxygen to live. All things found on the earth are either solid, liquid or gas. We space occupy करते हैं और weight is है. Now changed of form. Water is a special matter that can exist in 3 states: solid, liquid, gas. It change from one to another by heating or cooling. The change है solid का liquid में, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Melting. Liquid से gas में करेंगे evaporation, gas to liquid condensation, liquid to solid freezing. भाई मैंने क्या करा? पानी को आपके फ्रीजर में रख दिया, ठीक है, उसे फ्रीजिंग कहेंगे. वो क्या बन जाती है? आइस बन जाती है. ऐसे मैंने क्या करा? वाटर को जो हमने बॉईल करा थोड़ी देर के ठंडा होने के लग गया, तो वो क्या होता है? आपका कंडेंसेशन. Now what are the uses of solid, liquid and gas? We use solid, liquid and gas in our daily life. Solids की बात करें, इनको हम कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बिल्डिंग, मशीन्स और वेरियस अदर आर्टिकल्स में यूज़ करते हैं. जैसा आपका स्टोन हो गया, ब्रिक, ग्लास, वुड, सीमेंट आएगी. These all are some useful solids. ये क्या है? सारे यूजफुल सॉलिड्स. Liquid as drink. Water and milk are 2 common liquids. They are used for cleaning purpose and for washing our clothes. Liquids जैसे पेट्रोल और डीजल हो गया, इनका हम यूज़ करते हैं कहाँ? ऑटोमोबाइल्स. Right? Next we have gases. They are there. We breathe air to keep ourselves alive. Air is used to inflate bicycle, car, footballs, bladders, and cooking gas and gobar gas. They are also used as fuel. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.